The 10x mindset is a method of thinking and living that puts the emphasis on getting extraordinary results. It entails creating the habits and abilities required to attain goals that are 10 times bigger than what you now believe is feasible. The following actions will assist you in developing a 10x mindset. Start with a clear objective. A 10x mindset begins with a clear, precise objective. Make your goals 10 times bigger than you think are attainable. Decide what you want to accomplish. Once you have a specific objective in mind, divide it up into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make it easier for you to establish a plan to accomplish your goal. Establish a growth attitude. A growth mindset is the conviction that your skills and intelligence can be improved through effort, commitment, and tenacity. Having a growth mentality will enable you to overcome obstacles and accomplish your objectives. Accept failure. It's a normal part of learning to fail. Consider failure an opportunity to learn and grow rather than something to be afraid of. See each setback as a progress towards your ultimate objective. Build discipline by practicing performing the necessary things even when you don't feel like it. You may attain your goals and maintain your attention on them by practicing discipline. Choose the ideal company. Surround yourself with people that motivate and inspire you to achieve your best. Make connections with mentors and coaches who can assist you as you travel your path. The most crucial step towards reaching your goals is to take action. Establish deadlines for yourself and work steadily towards your objectives each day. Keep your attention on the process. Concentrate on the steps necessary to accomplish your goals rather than just the final result. Accept the adventure and take lessons from each stop. Appreciate minor victories. Small victories along the way can keep you energized and motivated. Celebrate and acknowledge each step you take in the direction of your ultimate goal. Growing and learning continuously is a key component of the 10x mindset. Through reading, going to seminars, and learning new skills, you can invest in yourself. You can accomplish more the more you learn. You may establish a 10x attitude and accomplish remarkable outcomes in your life by adhering to these instructions. Keep in mind that achieving significant goals requires time, work, and dedication, but that everything is feasible with a 10x attitude.